Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a fabulous crafting weekend. Today the free printable is this one here. It's a fabulous page. I really like it. It's so up my street. I love things like this. I love anything to do with like handwriting, vintage, retro. So I hope you guys will enjoy it too. So this page here, it's been designed from it's one of the first kit I have designed. For no reasons, I don't showcase it very often. So today I thought, let's do something a bit different. So this kit here is called Letters from the Attic, and I will put the link down below in case you guys wish to purchase it. It's a collection of background, ephemeras, gift boxes, etc., taking inspiration from love letters that you might find in the attic like a little treasures. I'm going to show you very quickly the pages. So you've got all that background, and there is a lot to like. You see, like love seats, etc. There is this page here. This is the London Bridge here, and I don't know if you can see, I put on top a postcard and some handwriting. This page here is one of my favorite. I love, you know me by now, I'm the guy of contrast. So I love the contrast with the handwriting, the flowers, and the dark black shadow of all the love letters, of course, and the wax seals as well. Here is another page. Now, when I designed this, as you can see from the line here, I meant them to be on two separate pages, but you can use as an entirety as well. Another page here with the ink and the feather pen. Another page here with all these beautiful letters and vintage stamps, and the key that opened the memory box. Then I thought I wanted to give you something that you can use to personalize love letters or any letters. So I gave you some alphabet. So this is, I don't know if you can see, it's like very famous here in England, in UK. It's a kind of like a medieval font. So I give you this collection of letters that you can fussy cut them. You get some envelopes, of course, because you can't write letters without putting them into envelopes. So you've got two tiny a rectangular one and a scallop envelope. So this is basically the top, and that's you fold over. You get two pages with tags. So this is one. So give you some, some bases that you guys can layer on top. And the second one is this one here with a lovely gentleman. And then the last piece is here. Now, when you print this, I recommend to print it on a thicker cardstock. And once you do it up, it looks like this. Okay, so this is the pillow box. So those two sides are the sides that go inside, and this is the tab. And because I had quite a lot of space here on the half of the page, I put you some embellishments, some butterflies. So guys, yeah, I hope you like my letters from the attic. And this is the freebie here. Okay, so let me explain to you how to get this. As usual, guys, two ways to get my freebie. Way number one is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number two, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files, and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Showcase purchase this. I will put the link in my info box, and don't forget to get your hands on this freebie and all the freebies that are available on my Facebook group. Okay guys, big thumbs up if you like this video. It really supports with my journey on YouTube, because every time you guys interact with me, you tell YouTube how fabulous I am. No, you tell YouTube that you really like my content. Okay, have a wonderful day guys, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.